Better than a margarita. Now we are off to the third part of the tour, which includes us learning how to make Pisco sours and then drinking them. So I'm excited. ¡Vamos!
O ingeniero Maury estaba hospedado en un hotel. Llegaba, iba, trabajaba, todo le gustaba su whisky sour. Entonces la vez whisky sour, el whisky se había terminado. Entonces,
Alright, so let me translate with my bilingual ass. He's basically saying that the Pisco sour was derived from the whiskey sour. After they ran out of whiskey, they ended up saying, hey, I can make you a whiskey sour, but with Pisco. And then it became the Pisco sour.
clara de huevo y jarabe de goma. Es limón. Es limón. Poco hielo vamos a poner. Listo. Pisco está ya.
¿Este Pisco?
Ahora la máquina. Ahora amargo. Está bien. Uno, dos.
Para mí.
¿Ya?
¿Sí? Muchas gracias. Better than a margarita. Good. He's going to let me try the Pisco with just Pisco, so no sour. Okay. Ooh, mucho. They're trying to get me pregnant, y'all.
What's that? Pisco?
So I want to taste. I want to try. Okay. Oh. Y'all, this tastes like a bad decision, okay? Tastes like I'm gonna wake up somewhere. Wait.
Alexandra, are you having one?
I'm having two.